What's up, y'all? Right now we're about to go up to this over here by South Campus TCC. They're having some kind of Corvette thing. Me and my buddy Hector here, and we're gonna go check it out. My attempt was bringing my Corvette up here, showing it off, but on the way here it died on me. So I think the injector went out. But no worries, we're still gonna continue on with this event. We'll keep you updated. I'm not sure what the event's called, but I'll keep you updated on that as well. You got anything to say? All right, man. Peace.
All right, take two. Earlier, we went to the wrong event. It was across the street at a stadium, and that was a relay race tournament. We both paid $10 to get in, and once we got in, we noticed, you know what? We're in the wrong spot. It's actually across the street, where all the Corvettes are. That should have gave us a sign that we should have looked for the Corvette. Anyway, but we're here now, and looks like a lot of Corvettes are here, and we'll be showing y'all all the Corvettes that's going to be doing the track thing and everything. So stand by. I'd say there's about a total of 20 Corvettes out here. You going again?
I wish it was quiet.
What?
Hey man, borrow your helmet. I'll take you for a ride. Need your helmet? You want to go for a ride?
No, I'm good, man. Maybe in a few. Probably lose my camera while I'm in there. You're just having way too much fun here. How y'all doing, fellas?
Probably do want to hold on with the other hand. It gets kind of crazy.
Oh, yeah? Okay, well, let's do this.
Alright.
Yeah. Really good. Sometimes it felt like you're gonna lose it in like flip or something. But it handles really well.
First time I rode with him, I was like, oh, I'm done.
Yeah. That's crazy. I'd rather do this than go Six Flags. You get the same adrenaline. Oh, Hector.
gonna go for another spin in your ride? No.
I'm done.
You're done?
Done plenty.
Yeah.
Students, we rebuilt this engine. I got a bad time with my back skin. I'm not gonna put too much on. You don't quit running till the board shows.
Woo! That was close. You're almost kissing that cone there. Huh? Yeah, you missed it. Nah. Well, Tony, tell me more about what's going on in the experience.
It's a good run today. This car is performing great. Just 265 horsepower. I'm outrunning a lot of these 300 horsepower cars, so it's fun. I like it.
Tell me more about your car you're making.
It's a 91 convertible. It's the L98 350 two-port injected, 6-speed manual transmission. Everything is completely stock and original except replacement fuel pump and injectors and battery. Sat for 20 years, as you can see. That's the last time it was registered until I got it here just a few weeks ago.
You're gonna keep that on there?
I'm actually going to get the windshield replaced and save that.
Yeah.
Put that out and keep it. Yeah. I got the new sticker with me in case we need it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, updates on today's event. I didn't really film everything that was unnecessary, but I did drive my Corvette up there. But once I got close to the Corvette event, the track thing, the injectors went out on my car. So the problem with my injectors is they're just too old. Needs to be replaced, and one or a few are stuck open, and it flooded the with gasoline, and it'll try to start, but when it tried to start, it'll shoot out black smoke from the the tailpipe. So that's a sign of injectors are bad. But I'm going to be testing all that. Besides that, I wasn't there to take the Corvette to run on the track or none. Just getting some feedbacks from other Corvette professionals and see how they run their thing. But I think in the future, my buddy and I, if we get this running how it should, in the future maybe we will attend the track thing. But besides that, I mean, my instructor was there. You met him, Tony Edwards, with his 91 black convertible Corvette. It was an experience on running on that track. You saw the video. It's intense, I'll tell you. I felt like I was going to lose my camera when I was in that ride, but I think you know, doing it the first time it's something that you would want to try to do again, or you know, at least watch others do it. But we got he had a trailer, so we slapped the car in on his trailer and got it home to the shop. So I'm going to replace the injector when I get the chance, and then we'll see what happens from there. Besides that, I think they usually have that once a year at the Fort Worth South Campus TCC, and then they also do it at the Texas Motor Speedway well, between Fort Worth and Denton. Either way, I think it'll be a pretty cool experience to attend, even if you're not running your car in there. But anyway, that's the update, and I'm out. Peace out.